everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa. Guys, today I'm going to try something that I should have tried years ago. A little late, but you know it's not too late to do anything. So I just shampooed, conditioned my hair, and what I actually did is that I've been keeping some rice water, and I boiled it, strained it. It smells weird. So I kept mine a little bit longer than a week. I was doing some research and it said not to, but I hate to let this go to waste, and it already smells weird. So what I'm doing is that I just poured some, it looked like a baby bottle with milk. So yeah, so I just rinsed my hair. It already smells stinky poo. And I'm just going to spray my hair because I'm kind of like rinsing it. This is my, I don't want, it's still going. Just to see how it feels. So just rinsing my hair with rice water, guys. All I did was that when I am rinsing off the rice, getting ready to cook it, I just put the water that I am taking off the starch with in this container. Yeah, so this is my version of rinsing my hair with rice water, and I actually put it in the jar. So what I do is that when I'm cooking rice, I rinse off the rice and squeeze the rice and get all that much starch off of it as possible. Then I drain off the water in this container, which happens to be a rice container, and yeah, and I just save it for when I'm ready to use it, but I kept it a little bit longer than I should have. And so basically what I wanted to test out was, I've heard so many things about using rice water on your hair and how rice water is supposed to help your hair grow and stimulate it and all the benefits. Well, comment down below and let me know if you use rice water on your hair and how did you like it. I can already tell you that I don't like the smell. It smelled great when I was boiling it, but after it sits for a while, maybe because I kept it too long. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna style my hair. Okay guys, this is it. Happy New Year, happy 2022. Just put it in a protective style. My dog is barking. So I'm just gonna wrap this up, and it doesn't smell as bad now, but this is it guys. Peace, love, and remember, it's not too late to try something that was in the making years ago and you just want to test it out. It's not too late to try anything new. Until next time, my lovelies. Peace, love. Bye.